You tell me when. Go. Okay. My name is Boujee. And we're here in this luxurious boathouse right here. First, we're gonna show you the best motherfucking part. And that is this glorious deck. And this is $1 million right here. So you have to be very rich to afford this. So we're gonna go on up here first. Don't show them my skirt, because that's not part of the deal. You have to come up too, miss. You gotta get the full effects. You gotta get the full effects. Don't fall. Now, those are $1 million stairs right there, miss. So up here is our luxurious patio where you can oversee the ocean. You see all them boats. You gotta have a lot of money to live here, honey. Look at these chairs that come with it. They fold. If you look up here, wait, miss, you keep messing up. You look up there, there's a grill on the top of the boat. You can also sunbathe up here, naked if you wish. Okay. Are you ready to go down to the first floor? Okay. I'm sorry. And now to the main room. Why do I feel like I'm gonna go in a pool? This is dangerous. You can use this as a stripper pole too. Are you ready for the next part? Boujee is ready. Ready. You see these cute French doors? So let's go inside to the main area. Two steps. You're in the gallery. Okay. So in my gallery, you'll see there's a whole sitting area. You could have a party in here. You could have so many people sitting at the lovely table, and it just pops out like so for Thanksgiving dinner. Also, if you turn over here, there's a heater. You'll always be warm on the boat. Also, we're in the gallery. This is where you make all your meals. Okay. Part 2 of the boathouse tour. This is your kitchen right here. This is where you can have people cook your dinner. Do you hear the music though? You know where that comes from? This little box right here. This is the music box 7000. It is very luxurious. Okay, let's go. Boujee needs to go walking this way. There's also lots of cupboard space. 2 steps up, we're gonna be in the main area. This is where the workers sit and rob the boat. If you just living on the boat though, you don't gotta worry about this area. This area is just for other people. So let's go to the next, and there's 2 doors, 1 on each wing, in case you need to exit. Now we're gonna go down here. 3 steps this time. Also notice all the cabinetry. It's very wooded, luxurious. Now when you get down here, this is where all the funny business happens. So don't just be thinking dirty shit. Okay, so look at this. Look look at this fancy luxurious bed. Boujee had 9 babies in here. Yep, I have 9. And what are you doing, miss? She was trying to jump onto the bed. What are you? Go! Where am I going? In front of me. Oh. Hang on, please. I'm having a hard time getting down from the master luxurious bed. But if you take a little spin that way, look at how roomy it is. You could have a 6'6" man in there. It would be just fine. This is our luxury. Do you see the door? Do you see what this is made of? Boujee knows that this is French oak wood from the 1950 century. Okay, on this boat. Look at how big this closet is for a boat. Okay, you could fit 6 or 7 jackets in this. Now to the bathroom. Now this part is really important because you gotta keep it clean, ladies. Bam! Look at this lighting. Do you see that there's a mirror that you can do your hair in? Well, that's about it. Now, you know how much this is costing somebody. A lot of dollar bills. So